Hey, hello everyone. Um, a tutorial there for week 5. Since I missed out on tutorials for this week, so I'll record this video to explain what we did in the tutorials from Monday to Wednesday. No, Monday and Tuesday. Okay, first one, it was a homework straight from your lecture on Monday, from our lecture on Monday. So what is the probability distribution for the sum of two rolled dice? So I'll let you think about that. Maybe you can pause the video and try to do it yourself. But imagine you have two dice and you roll the dice and then you add up the results or what turns out from the dice. So the smallest number you can add up will be 2 because the smallest number on the die is 1. And if one die shows 1 and the other one shows 1, so 1 plus 1, that's 2. So you need to draw your table, a table of x, and of course your p of x. Your x will represent the sum of the two numbers from the dice. So the smallest sum you can get is 2. And you can also get 3, 4, 5 up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to 12. Because the highest number in the dice is 6. So of course, the highest number of summation from a die is 12. Okay, what's the probability of getting a 2? So that's only one time. So when you roll the dice and it gives you 1 and 1, that's the only time you can get a 2. So that's 1 out of how many outcomes or possible outcomes for rolling the 2 dice? 36. That's 6 times 6. So that's 1 out of 36. What about a 3? How many times you can get a 3 when rolled 2 dice and you add up the numbers? So you can get a 3 by getting a 1 and a 2, or a 2 and a 1. So that's 2 times. So that's 2 out of 36. Okay, what about 4? So 4 you can get from 1 and 3, or 3 and 1. Or you can also get 2 and 2. But you can also get 2 and 2. But then 2 and 2 here, they're the same. So you just omit the other 2 and 2. And you get 3 chances of getting a 4. So that's 3 out of 36. What about a 5? So 5 we can get 1 and a 4, or a 4 and a 1. We can also get 2 and a 3, or 3 and a 2. Yeah, that's it. You cannot get any 5 somewhere else. So I mean in other order. So that's 4 out of 36. Yeah, 6. How many times you can get 6? Well, you can get by 1 and 5, or 5 and 1, 3 and 3, 4 and 2, or 2 and 4. So that gives us 5 out of 36. So now you can see the pattern here. If you see it in the numerator, it's increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 7. How many times you can get 7? Well, that's 1 and 6, or 6 and 1. 2 and 5, or 5 and 2. That's 3 and 4, or 4 and 3. That's it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 6 out of 36. You can clearly see the pattern here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about this? I think most of you would think that would be 7. Okay, let's check it out. How many times we can get 8? Well, we can get 8 by 1 and 7. Oh, there's no 7 in the dice. The highest number in the dice is 6. So we cannot get 1 and 7, but we can get 2 and 2 and what? 2 and 4. We can get no, sorry. Let me. For number 8, we can get 4 and 4. What else? 5 and 3, or 3 and 5. What else? 2 and 6, and 6 and 2. So what's happening to our probability? It's going down now. Oh, so this is only 5. So that's 5 out of 36. And then from here on out, you can do it by yourself. It will go down. So this will be 4 out of 36. 3 out of 36. 2, 36, and 1 out of 36. And if you add all this probability up, if you add all the probability here, it should always add up to 1. Okay, and that's for your question number 1.